This cylinder head came in with severe material loss, and the goal is to bring it back to its original height using welding. Let me show you how we prepare it. Before any welding can be done, the surface needs to be perfectly clean and flat. Any contamination or unevenness will affect the quality of the weld and the final result. So the first step is resurfacing the cylinder head on the milling machine. We remove just enough material to expose a clean, even surface. This is what gives the weld a solid foundation to bond to. By machining the surface first, we guarantee the weld will adhere properly. Without this step, the repair would fail. The weld wouldn't bond correctly and the head could warp again. Once the welding is complete, the head comes back to the milling machine to be resurfaced again, bringing it back to its original height and achieving a perfectly flat sealing surface. Check out the planing process.
Tem todas as peças dele?
Hã?
Tem todas as peças dele?
Não, vai pra 500 tem que achar.
Que projeto é esse? Não é pra vender?
Deve estar 30 também, pra ver se fecha.
Tem um monte de lugar pra soldar ainda aí, pra encher.
Mas se não tampar?
Senão você vai comer demais, né? Por que ficou assim? Tá fuma?
Não, esse aí é escariadeira.
Tá, mas tá pegando pra quê?
Pra baixo arrancar a solda que tinha aqui.
Então agora você vai soldar aqui.
É.
This is what real professional engine machining looks like. Subscribe for more machine shop content.